Wow. I see what that Rottweiler was into now.
Nice place, huh, Mr. Foggy?
Oh, sweet. You ready?
Sure.
How's your sister?
Not good.
Oh, boy. Hey, get in on this.
Thanks, pal.
I love you.
Hey, where the hell were you guys?
Whiskers had a family emergency.
Oh, yeah, right. Or you your sister, Whiskers? Move over. Oh, yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Hey, don't get too comfortable. He's pretty quick.
Yeah. I love Mexico.
Okie doke. Well, that's all the time we have this week. But just think, we can do all the Western things we didn't do next week. Assuming we can do them. And then...
I need total silence. Please. Oh, yes. The tail will be mine. Tail massager. Sounds pretty good, huh, Tail? I say, it sounds good to get your tail massaged. I'd sure like it if I were a tail. Here, I'll help you over to it. You see? You just stick your tail self into it. Right there, look. You just get your hand into this opening like this. Don't you see? Ah! Damn you! Don't you wag at me, you cocky son of a bitch! I'll get you! I'll get you! Tail!
Night, night.
Now it's fine.